Hello guys, in today's video we are going to show you how you can build your own gaming PC and best budget gaming PCs for in 2020. So guys, let's go. So first of all, we are reading an article of PCGamers.com, so we'll trade it to honor. So please avoid from copyright. So first of all, PC that they are suggesting, they are some other they want to say something. They're saying cheap gaming PC deal specific in this market in the market for a new PC with more this system jump up to $5,500 to $1,000 and $1,000 plus. So let's see. So first of all, they're saying about the PC which price is $1,000, and I think a cheap gaming PC deals is the easiest and fastest ways to get into a PC game for the first time or to make a clean break with an outdated industry gaming rig. Our first recommendation for PC game is always to build your own PC because it's a fun process that will almost always save you some money in a long run. We have plenty for advice on building your own with our us. So they're saying first of all, you can build your own PC because if you build your own PC, then it will easy for you. Because for gaming PC we need at least 16 GB RAM must at least, because after 16 GB we can use up to maximum that time we need. So first of all, yeah, they're saying make your own PC because if you will make your own PC, you will know everything of your PC and you can make your everything your PC custom as soon as possible. But they are saying first build your own PC. There means that you can buy spare parts of a PC and build them to create your own PC. But this will best for you and in the short way, and you can save you a lot of money by building your own this PC. So next one they're saying, so where they're saying but that process does not take a time and patience. ये मीन के ये आपका मीन this time will make your own PC and it will just take time and patience, and with the right cheap gaming PC deal you can avoid that barrier and maybe even saving a bit of money or building at your home. At the very least, it's a whole lot your conviction, and you would rather stay portable. We will got the best cheap gaming laptop deals to keep you covered too. So they're saying here, but that process does not take a time and machine, but you will need to wait for that processor and deal with the right cheap gaming PC, and you will got the cheap gaming best right PC, and you can avoid the barrier, and you can avoid the barrier. That means that you will be avoid from low quality PCs, you see, and maybe even end up saving a bit of money, and you can save a lot of money by building your own PC at the very least, at the very low amount and high amount. It's whole lot more convenient, and it will hold a lot of money. And if you would rather say portable, we will got the best cheap gaming laptop deals to keep you covered too. So first of all, they're saying best gaming mouse, the top products of the gaming mouse names. So next one is saying best gaming keyboard, your PC's best friend, and next one is saying best gaming headset, do not ignore in-game audio. So next one is saying in this frequently updated hub, we look out for the PC best gaming deals online and the spec written that with that of price categories budget, some gaming PC between $500 and $1,000 should be able. They're saying in frequently updated hub, mean locally that operated page will look out they're looking for best MPC deals online that can buy online by the separate into the categories budget. There are this budget between the $500 and $1,000, and we also don't judge purely on the price. They also don't judge a price online, but they tell you minimum and maximum price. The components in these pieces matter. We consider how the parts compare through what you would buy in DIY range. In more cases, this machine would not be ones from our gaming best gaming PC list, but whatever you are getting should be what price. If you decide you would rather build your own gaming PC to save more money and get exact right combination, check out our best gaming. They are showing link of their and another article. So first of all, PC name is ABS Children Gaming PC. You can save after buying, you can save $150. Next one is ABS Mac Edge Core i5. You can save $150. And next one is Lamino Legion Tower 5A. You can save $310. Next one they're saying ABS Monster Ryzen 5 3600 RTX 2060. This so you can save $150. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then press the like button and leave your comment in the comment box, and kindly subscribe our channel for the latest updates. Thank you.